emerging as the dominant sector, rising from 21.3% to 37.7%, and information technology from nil to 8.8%. In contrast, larger sectors such as materials and consumer staples saw notable moderation, reflecting the changing structure of India's equity market over time. Overall, the index has moved from being relatively materials and consumer-led in mid-90s to becoming more financials driven and diversified, mirroring the deepening of financial markets and the rising of importance of services-oriented sectors in the economy. From an investor perspective, the journey has also been notable. Since inception, NIFTY50 total return index has delivered annualized return of 12.7% in rupee terms, helping create long-term wealth for millions of investors. Over this period, the index has delivered positive returns in a large majority of calendar years, reflecting both the resilience and structural strength of India's corporate sector. But beyond returns, the importance of Nifty lies in the ecosystem it has enabled. In that sense, the NIFTY50 is not merely a market indicator, it is an institutional bridge connecting India's savers, its enterprises, and global capital. At the same time, the derivatives ecosystem linked to the NIFTY50 has expanded significantly, contributing to market liquidity, risk management, and price discovery. Of course, the journey of the NIFTY50 has not been linear. Over the past 3 decades, the index has navigated multiple business cycles and global shocks, from the dot-com collapse in early 2000 to the global financial crisis of 2008, and more recently, the disruptions associated with the COVID-19 pandemic and evolving geopolitical uncertainties. Each episode brought periods of volatility, yet each time, markets demonstrated resilience and the ability to recover, reflecting the adaptability and strength of India's corporate sector. Today, India's capital markets have expanded significantly. As of February 26, the market capitalization of companies listed on NSE now stands at 450 lakh crore, or about $5 trillion, reinforcing India's position among the 4th largest capital markets in the world. At the same time, investor participation has broadened from a couple of millions to now 12.7 crore unique investors, and one in every 4 households of India have exposure to capital markets, reflecting the increasing financialization of household savings and deeper engagement with formal financial markets. Participation today spans 99.85% of India's PIN codes. Only 28 PIN codes don't have NSE investors, out of almost 19,300 plus PIN codes. Since April 2020, rising equity participation has contributed to an estimated 57 lakh crore increase in household equity wealth, highlighting the growing role of capital markets in India's financial ecosystem. Women now constitute 1/4 of all investors, reflecting the growing democratization of equity markets and their emergence as an important instrument of household wealth creation. Within this expanding ecosystem, the NIFTY50 continues to serve as an important anchor, a transparent, rule-based benchmark trusted by investors, institutions, and policymakers alike. The leaders present here today have played a central role in building and strengthening this ecosystem by creating globally competitive companies, maintaining high standards of governance, and delivering value for shareholders over a long period of time. You have contributed not only to the success of your respective organizations, but also to the credibility and depth of India's capital markets. As India moves forward on its long-term development journey, the role of strong, innovative, and well-governed companies will remain central to sustaining growth and attracting global capital. The NIFTY50 will continue to reflect that journey as a barometer of India's corporate strength and the confidence that investors place in the country's economic future. Today's felicitation, therefore, recognizes both the achievements of the past 3 decades and the leadership that will help shape the decades ahead. On behalf of the National Stock Exchange, I extend our sincere appreciation to all the leaders present here today for your contribution to India's corporate and financial ecosystem, and for the role you continue to play in strengthening India's capital markets. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for setting the perfect tone for today's proceedings, and I request you to please be on stage for the very, very special segment. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nifty 50 index represents the vision, the resilience and innovation of India's most influential companies which have shaped our nation's economic journey. As we celebrate this remarkable journey of the Nifty 50 index, we now take great pride in felicitating the distinguished companies that collectively represents the strength of India's corporate landscape. I would also at the same time request the dignitaries joining sir on stage. Please help me in welcoming on stage the chairman of NSE, Shri Injeti Srinivas. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please. Joining them, we have Shri Anirudh Chatterjee, the MD and CEO, NSE Indices, Data and Co-Genesis. Let's give a warm welcome to sir, please. Very warm welcome to the dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, for the purpose of the felicitation, we will be inviting the companies in a sequence aligned with their market capitalization purely to felicitate and facilitate the smooth conduct of the ceremony. Also, it's a kind request to all the companies' representatives to please exit from the right-hand side. Also, we have a wonderful team there who will wrap up the mementos. Also, when it comes to mementos, we have designed this very special mementos for you just for this momentous occasion as an ode to the celebration of 30 years of Nifty 50 index. All right, without further ado, please help me in welcoming Reliance Industries Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause? Request representatives to please come on stage. Very warm welcome to you. At the same time, I also request representatives from HDFC Bank Limited and Bharti Airtel to please be on standby next to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I do understand there are a lot of companies we would like to felicitate, but the energy is going to be coming from you all. So I would request that whenever anybody comes on stage, please let's keep applauding for them, keep encouraging them. Yes? And we hand out these very special mementos, everyone. Hearty, congratulations. Thank you so much. Now we invite HDFC Bank Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for HDFC Bank Limited, everyone? At the same time, I request Bharti Airtel and State Bank of India representatives to please be next to the stage. In the interest of time, I request you to please be next to the stage. And that's our cue, everyone. up for Hindustan Unilever, everybody. Please, everyone. Pharmaceutical and Mahindra Limited to please be on standby. As you can see, the memento is being presented and that's our cue. Everyone, come on, let's have a bigger round of applause, please. Thank you. Now let's give it up for Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, I do understand there are a lot of people coming on stage and it's a lot of things to keep applauding for them, but let's show some appropriate energy for everyone. Please, come on, let's have a bigger round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Now we invite Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Can we give it up for them, please, as they come on stage? I request Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank to please be on standby. And meanwhile, we like to applaud for their hard work, their dedication. Thank you so much. It's time for us to put our hands together for Axis Bank. Come on, let's give it up for them. Very warm welcome to the whole team on stage. I request Kotak Mahindra Bank and ITC Limited to please be on standby. And that's our cue for an appropriate applause. Thank you so much. Now let's give it up for Kotak Mahindra Bank, everyone. Let's give and show our appreciation to them, their dedication and their perseverance. Very warm welcome to you, sir. And that's our cue to give it up for them. Thank you once again. Now let's put our hands together for ITC Limited. Very warm welcome to you, ma'am. I request Titan Company and NTPC representatives to please be on standby, and we give it up for ma'am over here. Thank you. Let's put our hands together and welcome Titan Company. Let's give it up for them, please, everyone. Very warm welcome to both of you. And that's our cue to appreciate them. Thank you so much. I would like to invite NTPC, but due to unavoidable commitment, NTPC representatives will not be present here, but at the same time I request the relationship manager of NSE to please receive the memento on their behalf. Very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Can we still applaud, please, everyone? Yes, show our appreciation. I request HCL Technologies and Ultratech Cement Limited to please be on standby. And now it's time for us to applaud for HCL Technologies. Thank you so much, sir. Now we'd like to invite Ultratech Cement Limited. Let's give it up for sir, who's coming to receive the memento from our dignitaries. At the same time, I request Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited to please be on standby. And that's our cue, everyone, to applaud for them, please. Now it's time for us to invite Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited on stage. Their team is just walking up. So it's our cue to really do justice to their hard work, their perseverance as they are here to receive this memento from our dignitaries. And let's give it up for them. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Now we invite Bharat Electronics Limited to please come on stage and receive the mementos from our dignitaries. Very, very warm welcome to you. And it's time for us to applaud for them. I now invite Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you. At the same time, I request JSW Steel and Bajaj Finserv to please be on standby next to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to give it up for Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. A huge, huge round of applause as they receive memento from us. Hearty, hearty welcome to all of you. It's time for us to felicitate JSW Steel. Come on, let's give an appropriate round of applause as they walk on stage. Thank you so much. Now we invite and would like to felicitate Bajaj Finserv. Let's put our hands together, everyone, as Sir comes on stage to receive the memento from us. Thank you. Now I'd like to felicitate Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Let's give it up for them. Let's have an applause, everyone. We'd like to felicitate Bajaj Auto Limited. Very warm welcome, ma'am. Let's give it up, everyone, for Bajaj Auto Limited. I request Coal India and Tata Steel Limited to please be on standby. And now it's time for us to applaud for Coal India. Let's give it up for Coal India, everyone. I request Tata Steel Limited and Nestle India Limited to please be on standby. Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for the applauses. Come on, everyone. Yes, let's fill in this room. And let's put our hands together for Tata Steel Limited. We have a wonderful team coming up on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you. As you can see, the memento is looking so nice. It's the NIFTY50 index memento that we specially designed for today and looks absolutely wonderful. I request Nestle India and Adani Enterprises to please be on standby. Thank you so much. Now we invite and let's give it up for Nestle India Limited. Everyone, let's show our appreciation for them by applauding appropriately for them. Very, very warm welcome to both of you. Thank you so much. We now invite Adani Enterprises. Let's give it up for Adani Enterprises, everyone. Very, very warm welcome to all of you. I request Eternal Limited and Asian Paints to please be on standby. Let's show our thanks to them, please. Come on, by applauding. Thank you so much. Now, please put your hands together for Eternal Limited as they come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. I request Asian Paints and Hindalco Industries to please be on standby. We invite Asian Paints representatives to please come on stage. Let's applaud. And now we invite Hindalco Industries to please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's our cue. For a wonderful round of applause, everyone. Now let's give it up for Archer Motors. We'd like to felicitate them now. Archer Motors. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. I now invite Wipro Limited to please come on stage, the representatives to please grace the stage. At the same time, I request SBI Life Insurance Company Limited and Shriram Finance Limited to please be on standby. And now we're facilitating Wipro Limited, everyone. Thank you. Now we invite SBI Life Insurance Company Limited to please come on stage. Now we invite Shriram Finance Limited to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome. I request Grasim Industries, Interglobe Aviation Limited and Geo Financial Services Limited to please be on standby. Everyone. Now we invite Grasim Industries to please come on stage. I request Interglobe Aviation Limited, Geo Financial Services Limited and HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited to please be on standby next to the stage right away. And let's give it up for them, everyone, please. Let's give it up for Interglobe Aviation Limited, everyone. I request Geo Financial Services Limited, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, Trent Limited to please be on standby. We now invite Geo Financial Services Limited to please come on stage, and let's give an appropriate round of applause for them as they grace the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for them, everyone. Now we invite HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited to please come on stage. At the same time, I request Trent Limited and Tech Mahindra and Tata Motors to please be on standby next to the stage right away. Let's give an appropriate round of applause, everyone. Time to invite Trent Limited to please come on stage. We invite the whole team to please grace the stage. I request Tech Mahindra, Tata Motors, Apollo Hospitals and Tata Consumer Products to please be on standby next to the stage. Let's give it up for them, everyone. Come on. I'd like to felicitate Tech Mahindra. I request Tata Motors, Apollo Hospitals and Tata Consumer Products to please be on standby right away. We now invite Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles Limited to please come on stage. We now invite Apollo Hospitals to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome. I also request Tata Consumer Products, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited and Cipla Limited to please be on standby next to the stage right here. Let's give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen. We now invite Tata Consumer Products to please come on stage, the representatives. I request Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited and Cipla Limited to please be on standby. Now we invite Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited to please come on stage. We now invite CPLA Limited to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Let's give it up for him, please, everyone. I request Max Healthcare Institute Limited to please be on standby. Thank you. Now we invite Max Healthcare Institute Limited to please come on stage. Let's give it up for him, please, everyone. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. The next set of felicitation is of the asset management companies who have played a crucial role in expanding investor participation and making Nifty 50 accessible to millions and millions through index funds and ETFs. Please help me in welcoming SBI Funds Management Limited. Let's give it up for them, please. I request UTI Asset Management Company Limited and Nippon India to please be on standby next to the stage. At the same time, request SBI Funds Management Limited to please come on stage right away. I now invite UTI Asset Management Company Limited to please come on stage. And I request Nippon India and ICICI Prudential Asset Management to please be on standby. Thank you. We now invite Nippon India Mutual Fund to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you. I request ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company Limited, HDFC Asset Management Company Limited to please be on standby. Let's give it up for them, everyone. Please, let's show our appreciation to them. We would like to felicitate now ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company Limited. Request you please come on stage. At the same time, I request HDFC Asset Management Company Limited to please come on stage. I request Mirae Asset Investment Managers and Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund as well as Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund to please be on standby right away next to the stage in the interest of time, please. Let's give it up for Mirae Asset Investment Managers India Limited. Thank you so much. Now we invite Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you. At the same time, I request Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund and Navi Mutual Fund to please be next to the stage. Let's give it up for them, everyone, please, as they're coming on stage. Let's give it up for Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund. Very, very warm welcome to you. I request Navi Mutual Fund, Bandhan Mutual Fund and Tata Asset Management Limited to please be on standby right away. Thank you. Now we invite Navi Mutual Fund to please come on stage. Now we invite Bandhan Mutual Fund to please come on stage. Let's give it up for them, please, everyone. As Sir comes on stage to receive the memento. I request Tata Asset Management Limited and Axis Mutual Fund to please be on standby. It's time for us to give it up for Tata Asset Management Limited to please come on stage. And they're right there. Let's give it up for Axis Mutual Fund to please come on stage. I invite LIC Mutual Fund to please come on stage. I request DSP Asset Managers Private Limited to please grace the stage. I now invite Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company Limited to please come on stage. And now invite Franklin Templeton Asset Management India Private Limited to please grace the stage. Very, very warm welcome. Let's give it up for him, please. I also invite HSBC Asset Management India Private Limited now. I request Edelweiss Asset Management Limited and Bajaj Finserv to please be on standby. Now let's go down for Edelweiss Asset Management Limited. I also request Bajaj Finserv, Geo BlackRock and Invesco Asset Management to please be on standby right now. Time for us to give an appropriate round of applause for them, please. We now invite Bajaj Finserv Asset Management Limited to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. I request Geo BlackRock, Invesco Asset Management, Quantum Mutual Fund to please be on standby. We now invite Geo BlackRock Asset Management to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to you, ma'am. At the same time, I request Invesco, Quantum Mutual Fund, Baroda, BNP Paribas to please be on standby. Now let's invite Invesco Asset Management India Private Limited to please come on stage. So very, very warm welcome to you, and we need an appropriate round of applause, everyone, as we have our wonderful representatives coming on stage to collect this wonderful token of gratitude from us. Now we invite Quantum Mutual Fund to please grace the stage. We now invite SBI Funds Management Limited to please come on stage. At the same time, I request Baroda, BNP Paribas, Angel One, Zerodha and Grow to please be on standby next to the stage. Let's give it up for SBI Funds Management Limited, everyone. We now invite Baroda, BNP Paribas Asset Management India Private Limited to please come on stage. Very, very warm welcome to both of you. Thank you. We now invite Angel One Asset Management to please come on stage. At the same time, request Zerodha, Grow Asset Management, as well as Taurus Asset Management to please be on standby. The last few ones, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a nice applause for them as we invite them on stage. Let's give it up for Zerodha Mutual Fund. Let's put our hands together for them. We now invite Grow Asset Management Limited to please come on stage. Very warm welcome to the whole team. Thank you. We now invite Taurus Asset Management Company Limited to please come on stage. All right. Okay. So with that, in good intent, good faith, can we have a huge round of applause for all the wonderful companies we've felicitated and for our dignitaries as well. I request our dignitaries to please proceed towards the bull photo op. Thank you so much. And also let me tell you that our chief guest and guest of honor are also on their way. I request our dignitaries to please proceed towards the iconic bull of NSE. Let me tell you, we are moving towards a very, very important segment. Also, let me tell you that I request one representative each from NIFTY50 companies to proceed towards the porch as we have a group photograph being taken. Everyone who is listening to me, only one representative from one company of NIFTY50 index to please proceed towards the bull photo op, the mandatory photo op that we say. Only the NIFTY50 companies in the first round. The next round we'll be having the AMCs. So in this round, I request the NIFTY50 companies, one representative to go for the very, very important, the mandatory NSE bull photo op. And we also will be meeting our chief guest and guest of honor right there, waiting for you so you can take this iconic picture with them. And post this photograph, I request the AMCs, the set management companies to please be on standby, because then you will be going there with our dignitaries, our chief guest, a guest of honor, to be taking the picture after they have finished.